have a question that's come in on Facebook. Amita Tandon has written in and she says that she wants to invest in a 3 BHK apartment in Sahil Exotica, Powai. Now, it's a standalone building and she wants to know if this is a safe investment bet. She also wants to know what the future prospects of this project are. Now, Powai is not a market that a lot of people, generally look to buy into. In that sense, there isn't too much of supply always in the market over here in Powai. So if she's finding a standalone building, she should probably go for it. Akash?
Yeah, Powai, if you look at, it's as you mentioned, it's a developed market, and not too much of the investors look for Powai market because it's a developed location. And if you talk about this particular project, and this project is a standalone building, it's surrounded by Raheja Vihar, which is also a developed location. And moreover, this is a very small project. It has only 56 or 58 units, out of which I think 48, 50 units has already been sold out. And the possession is likely to be in a couple of months. So there's no risk of development in this particular project. So from the development point of view, I think this is a good bet. And moreover, it is located on Andheri Powai Link Road, which is a developed location. And if you talk about the prices also, the prices ranges somewhere between 15,000 to 16,000 for this particular project, whereas average Powai prices is upward of 17,000-18,000 rupees a square feet. So the prices is good, location is good, and the project itself is in the near completion stages. So I think this is a good bet to invest into this project.
But how does Powai look to you from an investment point of view? I mean, from an end user point of view, of course, it's a great place to live in. It's one of the few locations in Mumbai that is really well planned. But apart from that, if you were to buy it purely from an investment point of view, do you see any growth in that market?
See, I can mention that this is a safe investment, but I won't say that there's going to be too much of appreciation, because once the area gets developed, it largely start covering up from the rentals point of view rather than the appreciations point of view. So I would say that it's a safe investment, it's a long-term investment, and one needs to park his money just because the returns are good and the area is developed location.
You mentioned the returns are good. You're talking about rentals here. How good is the rental yield in the Powai market?
So rental yield would be, I think, in the range of around 4 to 5%. I think, which is the one of the good rental yields in the country.
4 to 5% is a tremendous rental yield. So you should probably look at buying into that. Property just for the rentals over there, because let me tell you this, rentals on an average across the country for residential property, you get around rental yields that range between 1.5% to 2% tops. So 4 to 5% is not to be sneezed at.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.